What's up everyone, I'm Mike, and welcome back to ICO Investor Channel, and today we're going to talk about another high potential project called Revenue Capital. But before we start, please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So without further ado, let's start. Revcoin is the first cryptocurrency to link network users and businesses. As a consequence, Revcoin revolutionizes the token market while also providing financial assistance to businesses. Revcoin token holders receive a dividend in the form of company profits. From now on, concluding contracts with enterprises who are willing to share earnings will be common, simple, possible, and accessible. Investing in sophisticated technology at a high level of implementation makes it easier to manage, quicker, and more accessible to everybody. For people who enjoy challenges, are looking for profitable chances, and support financial independence, community, and individualism, Revcoin might be an intriguing choice. As a result, Revcoin may be an excellent chance for you and everyone else interested in global economics. Activity. This is a chance for folks from all over the world as well as those who live in your surrounding area. Revcoin is part of an ecosystem of businesses that support, promote, and collaborate to achieve success. The enterprise and you resolve their differences by purchasing and burning tokens. This system ensures that 10% of each company's monthly income is allocated to the purchase of Revcoins. The wider the spectrum of token burning, the higher the revenue of the Revcoin-linked firms. Every month, a portion of the aggregated income earned by portfolio firms is used to purchase tokens. The price of Revenue Coin is rising due to a smaller pool of tokens and growing buyback quantities. Revenue Coin give the opportunity to the average investor to potentially invest in new Facebook or new Google at an early stage of their growth, where the biggest ROIs are. We fund and promote selected startups without taking any stock or ownership position through the Revenue Capital ecosystem, which generates a strong network of investors and entrepreneurs. This strategy enables high-potential entrepreneurs to achieve their objectives while significantly raising their post-money valuation without losing founding interests or long-term aspirations. Revenue Capital funds and supports visionary startups building the future and the Internet of Tomorrow. We are focused on the following 5 categories: fintech, blockchain, AI, ML, and Web3. Companies that use IT technologies in the area investments and investor services. Companies that have ready-made unique technologies in the areas of blockchain, cryptography, automation, and robotics and artificial intelligence. Projects that have developed global solutions. Ventures with growing customer base. Companies that provide guaranteed technology support and growth for more companies in the revenue ecosystem. Revenue Capital directs resources to generate expanding value and wealth to portfolio firms and the community. Each new initiative adds compounding value to the ecosystem. Revenue Capital, the operating company behind the world's first revenue token, called Revenue Coin, RVC, partners with AIBC Summit to establish an alignment between the company's goal of supporting fast-growing technology startups in fintech, blockchain, AI, ML, and Web3, and their growing community of crypto investors who are funding these companies through purchase and trading of RVC. You may have seen more material on cryptocurrency, unicorn companies, and the creator economy if you're interested in new technology or societal shifts. We're during a revolution that allows individuals to generate exponential riches via the application of innovative ideas and cutting-edge technologies. The number of people using cryptocurrencies is increasing, with the number of blockchain wallet users exceeding 70 million in April 2021. The usage of blockchain by portfolio firms, the global nature of their operations, and their endless growth potential bind them together. Meet the first 2 firms in our portfolio. First, the Xeria. Factory automation and investment automation. Xeria makes investing in goods, currencies, cryptocurrencies, and companies simple, easy, and enjoyable for everyone. Every investor can benefit from advanced investment strategies. Investments made on schedule. Invest according to plan is one of Xeria's guiding principles, which allows it to have access to cutting-edge procedures appreciated by US specialists. Thanks to Drag and Drop, the platform allows users to develop their own plans. Recognition on a global scale. Xseria's innovative ideas were recognized throughout the world when the firm was awarded the coveted Benzinga FinTech Award in the United States. And Skyrocket.trade. Increased trade volume. Skyrocket provides Bitcoin investors with a trading platform that includes capabilities not seen on other cryptocurrency exchanges. These include, for example, buy and trailing stop loss on Skyrocket. All of your work in one location. Traders can manage several exchanges in one spot and get information on their investments thanks to Skyrocket, which is an official broker of the Binance, OKX, and BitMEX exchanges. Strategies that are automatically implemented. The platform's automated techniques allow users to make long and short-term bets with varying levels of risk without requiring prior understanding of the crypto market. And here's some news that Revenview website. F6S, a renowned platform for connecting company founders with investors, has partnered with us. With F6S, Revenue Capital is putting out a call for startup entrepreneurs who want to expand their businesses swiftly without giving up control. The Revenue Capital Accelerator is available to high-tech entrepreneurs in 5 categories: fintech, blockchain, AI, machine learning, and Web3 firms that are constructing the world's infrastructure and the Internet of the future. Interested entrepreneurs can begin the application process by visiting the link below. And hey, race the team of Revenue Capital. Revenue Capital team is made up of a diverse set of specialists from across the world that specialize in investment, cryptocurrencies, and cutting-edge technology. Our strength is derived from each member's unique practical experience, which includes best practices and successes in the implementation of projects in traditional finance, venture capital, blockchain technology, automatic services, robo-advisory, algorithmic transactions, robotics, cross-market equity, and the crypto market. First, Jarek Bialek. Board member, founder, co-founder of Revenue Capital. 15 years of experience in building startup communities and acceleration programs, including international accelerators for blockchain projects. Piotr Piasecki. Revenue Capital board member. 20 years experience in business management. Involved in international investment projects in industries including IT, finance, and real estate. Specializes in marketing and sales. And many more. Tomasz Korecki. Founder, co-founder of Revenue Capital. Adam Kukrowski. Founder, co-founder of Revenue Capital. Kuba Korecki. Chief Technical Officer. Eduardo Gamarsi. Global Business Development Manager. Kelechi Udogwu. Chief Marketing Officer. Dominic Glowicki. Global Business Development Manager. And here's the Twitter page of Revenue Capital. They joined Twitter on July 2021, and now they have 29.1k followers. And now let's to the pinned post of Revenue Capital. They know an event that called Listing Contest. And you can win up to $1,000. Just follow the instruction in pinned if you want to participate. Also, here's the Telegram of Revenue Capital. And now have 19k member, and if you want to join Telegram, just click that view in Telegram and you can communicate to other member if you have a question. And that's all for Revenue Capital. Come visit our channel, subscribe and watch out for our next videos here ICO investors. Thank you for watching.